Alright, I have a Dr. Caligari kit from Thomas Kuntz that I bought. I gotta totally redo it. A couple things happened. One, it's just kind of in rough shape, and two, parts of it got broken shipping. No fault from the seller on the shipping. But, oh, this was broke. You see where it says Abduction 1919. Let's get all that. I gotta fix all that. Get some putty on the seams there. This is where the lantern went in the back. I think I might move that to a different position. I gotta do some reference pictures. Here's the front of the base. I think it's an old German movie. That's what it was. Thomas Kuntz did some awesome stuff. That guy's, well, he's just awesome. You gotta see some of his videos. But anyways, here's the head of Dr. Caligari. It's got to be totally redone. Get some nicks and the paint's messed up on it. And I think I'm going to put a magnet in the head. A nice little nick there. It's going to be sanded out. Some stuff under the neck right there. Nothing that can't be fixed. There's his victim. You can see the head is pretty beat up on this. But again, nothing that can't be fixed. Chunk of the hair gone right there. That actually goes upside down like that. Here's one of her arms. Now that's got to be sanded out smooth. You can see all the marks on it and stuff. Part of that's putty, part of that's of her dress. So I need to fill all that in. Hands are a little rough. I gotta get that all straightened out. The pinky's pretty rough looking. She's got a fat pinky. Little seam lines. Some scratches. That's part of the lantern. Now I'm thinking I might actually light that up. That's solid. It's just painted to look like a old resin, or old lantern, I mean. But I might hollow that out and actually put some glass in there and a flicker light. It would look pretty cool. We'll have to see. But that's the piece that they had. Went on there, something like that. It's a big kit. Anyway, there's this part. I think it goes there, yep. This part that the wonderful post office had broke off. It's gonna be pretty cool when it's all done though. Taking it to Wonderfest, 2019. This is their 30th anniversary, so that'll be pretty cool. Plus Thomas is gonna be there this year. Here's the body. Let's see if I can get that in there real quick. Ooh. Shit's wanting to fall apart. Okay, so anyways, let me turn this. Let's see. Can't believe I'm getting this thing to all stand up. Hold on. It's going to look pretty cool. Of course, that lantern is going to go up by his head. But, I like how he did the artificial shadow in the background. Definitely do make that light work or something like that. That'll make a huge difference, I think. A lot more dramatic. But let's see. Yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty cool kit. Somewhere I have the oops, original certificate. It came with it. There's the name of it. Right there. Production 1919. Here's the seal. Thomas's name. I think I might put that in a frame when I take it. Put it over here to the side or something. Anyway. I'll post another video when I don't know if when I get it done, or maybe I'll do it in stages. But I haven't done a video like this. Usually I just do when it's all done and just post it. So anyways, we'll see what happens. I'll post another video later.